With diverse flora and fauna, magnificent natural landscapes, and an ecological biosphere that supports life, this wondrous planet is our earthly home. From our animal co-inhabitants to the lush rainforests and life-giving soil, we cherish all these as gifts from the Creator. It is a common theme in the world's major faiths that during our temporary stay here, we should be good stewards of Mother Earth. Throughout the years, Supreme Master Ching Hai has shared the message of leading a balanced life while following a spiritual path. Not only must we nourish our spirits, but we share the responsibility to care for nature and our fellow beings. In light of recent scientific evidence which pinpoint the raising of livestock as the #1 contributor to climate change, Supreme Master Ching Hai affirms the important message she's noted for over the past 2 decades. We must be vegetarian, meaning an animal-free diet, and practice sustainable living. In an international gathering with our association members after the United Nations Climate Change Conference COP16 had concluded in Cancun, Mexico, Supreme Master Ching Hai discussed the significance of humans' actions on the planet. Today we present to you part 3 of our 4-part program titled Humans' Nature Should Be Loving and Kind, a discussion by Supreme Master Ching Hai.
Supreme Master Ching Hai's lectures are not a complete meditation instruction. Please do not try alone. For free of charge guidance, please visit www.godsdirectcontact.org or contact any of our centers near you.
Every time you say something like pork, beef, you have to say vegan beef, vegan pork, vegan chicken. Okay?
Yes.
Right. But because we know they are all vegan, so we also always say, oh, take some hamburger, take some chicken, take some fish. You see? But the outside people, they don't know. And if somebody hear only these sentences, they think we're eating, animal stuff.
Este es el problema con la comida. Tenemos que decir, antes de decir hamburguesa o antes de decir sándwich, tenemos que decir vegano. Es comida vegana. Este ya es el problema con Jesucristo y con Buda. Por eso dicen que comía pescado y que comía puerco.
Try to remember as much as you can.
Nosotros ahorita en ese lugar estamos regalando los libros de los perros de mi vida, de los pájaros y de los animales silvestres, y les pedimos a las personas que para ganárselo necesitaban hacer un poema o una reflexión sobre el calentamiento global o sobre las ventajas de ser vegetariano. Y obtuvimos poemas y reflexiones sumamente bellas. Ahorita las traigo y quedamos de regalarles el libro a las 15, 20, 25 personas, o sea, las que más podamos, regalarles el libro el día de mañana para que se les premiara de esa forma, y obtuvimos cosas bien bellas en el material que traemos.
In the book, we are also giving the birds in my life, the dogs in my life, and the Noble Wilds book. So in order to get these books, we asked them for a thought or for a poem or poetry, something on climate change or veganism. So we really got very beautiful stuff, so we can give a reward for these 15 people or maybe 20 people with the most beautiful thoughts.
Oh, that's good, that's good. Okay. That's very good.
Eso es muy bueno.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's late. Are you guys tired or not? You okay? Work all day and now sitting here. Okay. Very good.
Hoy cuando llamé para contactar a una reportera, ella trabaja en una agencia de información. Cuando le pregunté cuántas personas eran, me dijo que eran 2, pero que ella daba clases en la universidad donde se dieron las clases veganas.
Today we contact a journalist, and when I asked her how many people in her office were, she said only 2. But I work in a university, in the technological university, where we gave the vegan cooking class.
Y me preguntó que si también a ellos les podíamos llevar libros, que eran 100 personas.
And she asked me like if we can give them book as well for them, that they were 100 people.
Son 100 maestros.
There are 100 teachers.
Teachers can also give, yes. At least the peace book. Huh?
A los maestros sí les puedes dar, aunque sea el libro de la paz.
Yes. And one set, okay? Peace book maybe 100, but one set of the 4.
Y un juego, quizás 4 juegos nada más, y 100 libros del libro de la paz.
1 or 2 so they can put in their library and they read together.
1 o 2 juegos de modo que lo puedan poner en su biblioteca y leerlo juntos.
Depends on how many we have, yeah?
Depende de cuántos tengamos.
Okay, good.
Okay. Gracias.
Yes. A peace book is important. Everybody should have one.
Sí, hoy fue una jovencita muy emocionada porque desde la villa se volvió vegana y dice que se siente muy muy contenta, muy sana y está muy interesada en saber más de nosotros, de usted.
Today in the booth we also received a visit for a young lady who became vegan since she met us in Climate Village.
Oh.
She said she feels very healthy, very good.
Yes.
So she's eager to know more about you and to learn more about you.
Oh, learn more about vegan and peace.
Que aprenda más del veganismo y de la
It's
paz.
good. It's good that you have convinced at least one person that we know. I'm sure more, huh? So more have been convinced, right? From the village.
Es bueno que hayan convencido por lo menos una persona, pero estoy segura que más de una persona se convenció en la villa.
Up to now, whomever I meet and talk to, promise vegan.
A ver. Ahora cada vez que le hago a alguien promete ser vegano.
People are very open here. Hey, good job anyway, well done. You've been working well. I'm proud of you.
Some of the benefits of a vegetarian diet: lowers blood pressure, lowers cholesterol levels, reduces type 2 diabetes, prevents stroke conditions, reverses atherosclerosis, reduces heart disease risk 50%, reduces heart surgery risk 80%, prevents many forms of cancer, stronger immune system, increases life expectancy up to 15 years, higher IQ, saves 70% of the total cost of $40 trillion for reducing global warming, uses 4.5 times less land to grow food, conserves up to 70% clean water, saves 80% of the cleared Amazonian rainforest from animal grazing. A solution for world hunger. Free up 3.4 billion hectares of land, free up 760 million tons of grain every year, half the world's grain supply, consumes 1/3 fossil fuels of those used for meat production, reduces pollution from untreated animal waste, maintains cleaner air, saves 4.5 tons of emissions per U.S. household per year, stop 80% of global warming. Plus more.
Master, I just wanted to tell you that you look really beautiful today.
Oh, really?
Yeah, your clothes and your face and your eyes very shiny.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Continue to do until you have to go home, eh? Oh, I supposed to go today also. I changed the etiquette many times. I keep changing. Yeah, really. I'm supposed to go already today. I mean, I was supposed to go many days already, and then many days already, and many days already. I'm supposed to go today, and then I changed my etiquette. Okay, let's see how many more days. Every day is different information. Yeah, every day is the karma of the people change so fast. Sometimes I'm also dizzy. I'm dizzy, you know. Because we live together, you see, on this planet. We are all influenced by each other's behavior or karma or thinking. Yeah, that is a problem. All right, so nothing is really definite, huh? All the time. I come see you every day, almost every day, whenever I can. Yeah. Cancun is very, very blessed. Everywhere I go, I bump into spiritual blessing line, I'm telling you. Cancun alone, you know, Cancun is like the small area, yeah? But here even, huh? Incredible. It's really incredible. Yeah. Cancun has 3, huh? But other areas also have, huh? Yes, it's very good areas. It's very blessed area here. Maybe that's why people build houses, big hotels, and everybody come here for holidays, because they're happy, huh? Otherwise, we have beaches everywhere, right? Not just Cancun. Almost the whole Mexico is like a peninsula, and it's surrounded by beaches. But people came to Cancun a lot, yeah. Yeah.
You mentioned about the heaven light.
Yeah.
Yeah, like in Haiti, you said it's the pleasant heaven light to blessing us and protect us.
Mm-hmm.
What are different all of those lights? And like when we get initiated, we get the light,
Mm-hmm.
and what the SPL light.
Oh, this is different. It's different.
Are they from the same place or?
No, I told you already. It's from the 5th level, nah? Spiritual blessing line, huh? Is to keep the planet in peace, huh? Yeah. Keep it in balance, huh? Other stars and planets, they also have spiritual blessing lines to keep them in balance. Yes. The more the better, huh? The initiation is your own light, huh? Heaven light, huh? Everybody has, huh? Spiritual blessing line. Also same, huh? It's just for to bless the planet, yeah? And your light is yours. And the light from heaven is to protect you double, huh? More extra support, okay? When you're doing some hard work or dangerous job, yeah? Okay?
Okay. Thank you, Master.
Yeah. Of course you have light inside you already. At the time of initiation is awakened, your light open again, yeah, connected again. But extra light from heaven sometimes, because there's a gathering of bodhisattva, saints, invisible one, or angels over there as well. You see what I mean? So you see those lights are from them. Got it? Yeah. And spiritual blessing lines are pure essence of blessing, to bless the whole planet. Okay? We have many crisscrossing all over, like a ball with knitting around it, yes, so that it will keep the planets in balance, in peace. But we have destroyed too many, yes. Now there are some left over, trying to fix it, to strengthen, yes, to strengthen and to lengthen, or to complete it, those, whatever possible, whenever possible, so that we can keep the planet for a little longer until human change into more compassionate, natural lifestyle. Because humans' nature should be loving and kind. See what I mean? We have not all been loving and kind, and we broke many spiritual blessing lines or destroy. And if we continue like this, then we'll be none left. Yeah? Yeah. I'm just trying to fix some. Okay? So that we have some. Just like your clothes are torn, but I'm mending it. Okay? Mending it, yes. Better than broken. Huh? If we don't have new clothes, at least our clothes are fixed and mended. Yeah? So you can cover your body, huh? From the element, from cold and wind and rain, huh? Okay. Everybody happy? Good. Continue to work. Okay? Yes.
Thank you for your eco-conscious company for today's episode of Between Master and Disciples. Join us tomorrow for part 4 of Supreme Master Ching Hai's fascinating discussion titled Human's Nature Should Be Loving and Kind. And now, Animal World, Our Co-Inhabitants is coming up next, right after noteworthy news. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. With Heaven's grace, may all beings live harmoniously in dignity and respect.
Supreme Master Ching Hai's lectures are not a complete meditation instruction. Please do not try alone. For free of charge guidance, please visit www.godsdirectcontact.org or contact any of our centres near you.
For more details, please visit www.suprememastertv.com/BMD.